I'm so sorry. I keep doing that. I'm sorry. I love watching you sleep. You know that. You look so cute. You look so cute. I just love watching you sleep. No, I wasn't taking pictures. I was just like playing on my phone a little bit, you know. Can't sleep and stuff. I didn't take any pictures of you though. No, that's weird. That's weird. I wouldn't do that. Were you having good dreams though? Did you dream about me? You did. Oh my god. I knew it. I know you really love me. I love you too. Oh yeah, the sweater. Oh yeah. I hope you don't mind. I got it out of your closet. I was just kind of cold. Yes, and I thought it was so cute and it smells like you. And oh, do you like it on me? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. You are so sweet. You're the best boyfriend ever. No, seriously. Anyway, I was just watching you sleep. I just love watching you sleep. I mean, that's what you do when you love someone. I'm sure you watch me sleep sometimes, but I think I just beat you to it. What? What do you mean? You've never watched me sleep. That's what you do when you love somebody. You watch them sleep. Everybody knows that. What are you talking about? Wait, what's going on here? Wait. I'm sorry. I just meant like, what's going on here? Like, don't you love me? You're supposed to love me. And you're saying you've never watched me sleep. No, I don't mean just opening your eyes in the middle of the night. I mean actually watching me. I'm a very cute sleeper. You never watched me. I pose specifically while I'm sleeping so that you'll see me. And you're telling me that's for nothing. You're gonna tell me that you don't even watch me sleep. You don't love me. Why did you say you love me if you don't love me? That's not fair. It's not fair. Help me, please help me. No, nothing. I'm just confused, that's all, because, you're supposed to love me. You're supposed to love me. Are you sure you do? Because, when you love somebody, you watch them sleep. Are you gonna start watching me sleep? Oh. Yeah, okay. That's so sweet of you. Oh. Okay. No, I forgive you. It's fine. Well, did you know what you wanted to do tomorrow? Oh, you're right. You need to sleep. You know what? Yes. Okay, fine. I mean, yeah, just go back to sleep, my love. I'll just be here. Oh, well, I'm not really tired. Do you want me to be tired? Should I be asleep with you? Is that something that you want? 'Cause I'll do anything that you want. Okay, no, just be Nikki. Okay, no, I can do that. I'm your freaky Nikki. Oh, no. Just go back to sleep. I think you should just go back to sleep. I think you're just like having like a weird dream, and I'm talking to you while you're in this dream, and it's making it worse. I'm so sorry. I'm being so rude right now. Just go back to sleep. You should just go back to sleep, my love. Just go back to sleep. Just go back to sleep. Just go to sleep. Just go to sleep. I'm so sorry I woke you up. I'm so sorry. Just go back to sleep, my love. I'm just going to stay here, and I'll just be playing to sleep.